In this question, we're looking at a bunch of different things here. So first, I want us to notice that this graph is giving us f of x. This table is giving us g of x. And we are trying to find where p of 2 equals f of 1 minus g of negative 2 when p of x is defined algebraically. So we have a graph, a table, and an equation. So the first thing that we need to do is find p of 2. And so what I did here is I replaced x with 2. We don't know a yet, but that's okay. We're going to leave it and solve for it. So we have a and then 2 squared minus 3 times 2, which gives us 4a minus 6. That's what we're going to set equal to f of 1 minus g of negative 2. So we take that 4a minus 6, and first we need to find f of 1. So we go over to the table, to the graph. When x is 1, then we see that the y value is negative 2. So we'll replace that f of 1 with our negative 2 here. Then to find g of negative 2, I'm going to the table. When x is negative 2, we see here that the value for the function is going to map to 4. So that means I need to replace g of negative 2 with my 4. And since it was subtraction, we're doing f of 1 minus g of negative 2. We're looking at negative 2 minus 4. At this point, we can solve 4a minus 6 equals negative 6, which when you simplify that, you end up with a equals 0.